Hey ladies, if you're looking for a quick, high-energy workout to tackle belly fat, let me share how my 15-minute daily routine made a difference in my life. I spent time trying to find an efficient workout that fits into my busy schedule. Eventually, I built a high-energy routine that delivers results. I survived the initial struggles of sticking to it, and I saved time with this effective workout that really works. The payoff? I got fantastic results. My belly fat shrank, and my energy levels soared. Here's my go-to high-energy routine. Burpees. Start with these to get your heart rate up and burn calories quickly. Jump squats. They target your legs and core while boosting metabolism. Mountain climbers. These engage your entire core and increase endurance. High knees elevates your heart rate and helps tone your belly. I faced challenges like maintaining consistency and overcoming initial fatigue, but seeing my progress kept me motivated. Physically, my belly fat reduced, and mentally, I felt more confident and energized. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original makes it easy to enjoy nutritious smoothies anytime. With over 100 5-star reviews and free shipping, it's a game changer. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Link in the description. To stay on track with your fitness goals, the fitness tracker is essential. It effortlessly monitors calories, steps, and sleep and is waterproof for your convenience. Grab yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Stay consistent, keep pushing, and remember, every minute of effort brings you closer to your goals. You've got this.